All right, thank you so much for tuning in for another Tuesday Tidbit. So this one is, what are the consequences of defaulting on a mortgage? So there's a number of different steps that would occur. Okay, so mortgage lenders are not going to report you late to the credit bureaus until you're 30 days late. You are technically late after 15 days late. So payments are due on the first. They're late after the 15th. After the 15th, you'll begin to incur late fees. That late fee is typically 5% of your principal and interest monthly payment. So monthly payment, the principal and interest portion only, so not the taxes, insurance, or mortgage insurance, for instance, but just the principal and interest. 5% of that is going to be the late fee that they're going to charge you. Once you're 30 days late is when that lender is going to start to report you late to the credit bureaus. Mortgage lates are extremely detrimental to your credit score. So if you're late by 15 days or up to 29 days, don't stress. Once you're 30 days late, though, yeah, it's going to start to impact your credit score pretty significantly. So due on the first, late after the 15th, after the 30 days late is when they start to report you late to the credit bureaus. Once you're 90 days late on that mortgage, that's when a lender's typically going to explore foreclosure. They're going to give you the option to rectify the situation. You're going to have a limited period of time to bring your loan current. But if you don't, at that point, they're going to start the foreclosure process. Foreclosures are extremely expensive for a lender. It's not something that they want to do. It's extremely expensive for the lender. They're not in the business of owning homes and trying to sell homes. They're really not. They're in the business of collecting payments and lending out money. So it's not something that the lender necessarily wants to do. They try to avoid it at all costs. But if you're 90 days late, it's what they're going to start to explore. Foreclosures are extremely messy. If you do have a foreclosure on your credit report, it's going to cause about a 7-year point before you can get another mortgage. So it's gonna, that's a long time. I mean, it's almost a decade long. So something you want to avoid at all costs, obviously. If you have any questions or if you are behind on payments, contact your lender. They may be able to work with you. It doesn't hurt to ask. It's certainly worth having a conversation at the very least. So hope that helps. If you know of anybody else that might benefit these, please feel free to forward it along. And if you know of anybody looking to get a mortgage, I would love nothing more than to help them. It's the lifeblood of our business. We live and die by your referrals. So thank you all so much. Really appreciate you. And we will catch you next time. Thank you so much. See ya. Bye.